Hi, Firsties. It's time to have our read aloud. Today, I am going to be reading this nonfiction text called A Day with a Doctor. Let's go ahead and look at some of this non-text features. Here's the title page, A Day with a Doctor. And here you see a table of contents. You can see the first part will teach us about listening to our heart, then checking your throat, getting a shot, you are healthy. Then at the end, it's going to talk about some new words or vocabulary, like a glossary. Give us information if we want to find out more. And then there's an index. And remember, we've seen an index before. If you look to the back, it has information to where to find the page of some key words. Like if I want to read about a checkup, it says to go to page 20. So instead of having to read the whole book, I can just go to page 20 and sure enough, see, there's the word checkup. I can learn just about that if I want. But instead, we're going to read the whole book. Let's go ahead and jump in now. I take care of people who are sick. I take care of people who are healthy. I am a doctor. And there is a doctor right now. She is a doctor. I listen to your chest. I can hear that your heart is healthy. And you can see she's using a stethoscope, and that's when they listen to your heartbeat. You've probably had that done. Open wide and say, ah. I check your throat and tonsils. I make sure they look healthy. Have you had the doctor do that too, or the nurse as they checked in? I hope so. I look inside your ear with a light. I check that your ears look normal. And do you see her checking in? Kind of feels funny when they do that, right? It tickles just a little bit. I make sure that you are growing. I find out how tall you are. I check how much you weigh. Do you see her standing on the scale to get her weight? And then she measures the height too on the same machine. Are you not feeling well? I need to examine you to see what is wrong. And see, the doctor is checking him. You can see he's not feeling well. When you're not feeling well, do you have the doctor check you too? Probably. Does your head feel hot? You have a fever. This medicine will make your fever go away. Do you see how doctors can be helpful and assist you? Sometimes you need to get a shot. This shot will keep you healthy. I've got shots too, usually in my arm, right? Sometimes in my leg or bottom to keep me healthy. The doctor does that to take care of us. Everything is fine. You are healthy. I will see you for another checkup next year. And the doctor says goodbye. And here's the new words it said we would learn. Checkup. And it says that's a visit where a doctor checks to see if you are healthy. Chest, that's the front of your body. Examine, to look at closely. Fever, when your body feels warm because you are sick. Medicine, something given to treat you when you are sick. Normal, that's you're healthy. Shot, medicine that is given with a needle. And tonsils, those are the two small parts on the side of your throat. That's why the doctor says open up and say, ah. And if you want to find out more, it gives you some other books to read. And here's the index we saw. Okay, it's time to respond in our Read and Respond notebook. Pause the video and get yours out if you didn't get it out already. Hopefully by now you're being a leader and you get it out before you start your video. Here's what I wrote last time. I said I would want to be blue because it's the color of the sky. What color did you pick? Now we're going to talk about going to the doctors. Last time you went to the doctors, what did you go to the doctors for? So I'm going to write to my sentence. Last. You hear the ST makes T. Capital L at the beginning. Time. Time. And remember the bossy E, the silent E, is at the end. It makes this I say its name so we can sound it out. Time. Now a capital I because we're talking about ourselves. I, next line, went. W-E-N-T. W-E-N-T space. Last time I went to, remember it's just one O for that one because we're going somewhere, to the, that's a sight word, T-H-E, the doctor. What happened last time you went to the doctor? I know what happened to me. Last time I went to the doctor, I'm going to show you what happened. Maybe you'll know what this is. A long pointy thing coming out at me. And here's Mrs. Elkins' arm. Can you guess what happened? You finish your sentence and tell me the last thing that happened to you when you went to the doctor. And I'm going to finish my sentence now and color it in. I can't wait to share with you what happened. I can't wait to hear about the last time you went to the doctor too. Make sure you do your best. Make sure you write a complete sentence and you finish this line. Spelling does not count. Just do your best. Bye, firsties.